Hello everyone, I am Monica from ielts 9. So we will be doing this reading passage that was part of 9th May 2024. Many students had reported me about this reading passage. Questions may differ. So exact same reading title was also not there, but the passage material was almost same. So questions may differ. I am not saying that this was the perfect reading, but yes, somewhat relating to, and you believe me, this is also a challenging reading. Except the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks you can easily find it, but these questions are mediocre students. They may have take some time to just find these questions. Okay, so first type of question for this reading is complete each sentence with correct ending, and second type of question we have fill in the blanks, and definitely which section contains the following information. Okay, if you can get all full answers correct with me, because I will be showing you paragraph also, same concern question also, then before announcing the answer from my side, you decide it yourself. Okay, then you just do it with me. Let's do it. So I will start my reading with this complete each sentence with the correct ending. So how to do these questions? So definitely we have to so let's understand what does it mean. Complete each sentences. These are incomplete. It's incomplete sentences from 27 to 30, and we have to match with the correct ending. Okay, so these are the options from A to F. Means questions are only 4 and options are 5. More than 5, 6 options are there. Okay, so we will just, if you want you can read all the options and come out with the some keywords, and if you don't want to read any option first, you just take the keyword from this question and then go to the location. Definitely first type of question we will start reading the location of these question from first paragraph. Okay, here I can say 1970 and this person's name is the keyword, 2 keywords here. And second also, let's take these 3 keywords and just try to find the location of these questions in the paragraph, and then wherever you will get this information, read it thoroughly over there, and then come over to these options. We will try to match the meanings also. Now with the help of these 3 keywords, let's go to first paragraph. So this is my first paragraph. I am looking for 1970. I will not be reading anything, only underline something, whatever I think that this can be helpful for next type of question, and insert them. Okay, for B paragraph I can see 1970 and this person name is there. Now I will read properly. So definitely you can read it from here, but some lines above, wherever you have got the keyword location, just try to read some more lines before the location. For many years it was assumed that literalization was a uniquely human trait, but this notion rapidly fell apart as researchers started uncovering evidence of literalization in all sorts of animal and human beings as well as animals. They are applying some lateralization. For example, in 1970s, Leslie Rogers, now at the University of England in Australia, was studying memory and learning in chicks. Okay, so she had been injecting a chemical into chicks. So I think they are explaining some experiment. Now we can read options. Literalization is more common in some species than in others. No, it benefits a population if some members have a different literalization. Helps animals to do 2 things at the same time. Is not confined to human beings. Yes, I think this is matching, because here they are saying it was assumed that lateralization was a uniquely human trait, but this notion rapidly fell and researchers started talking about lateralization with animals. So it means it is not confined to human beings. So this we can match it with first. 27 number is D. Okay, now second, Angelia Bisage. This person name we have to find. So let's go to next paragraph, and C paragraph. In animals, simply the most vibrant brains. So no person name is there. I will move to D paragraph. So we are looking for second 28th number, this person name. So I will not try to read, try to understand anything, only just marking some catching words in fact. Okay, 2 activities, the weekly. Okay, so this person name is here, so we have got this location here. So definitely we will try to read 2-3 lines before also. So here they are saying let's read this, and then definitely we can go above. Similar results, probably similar results means whatever the results will be there, so same similar results probably hold true for many other animals. In 2006, this person at the University of set out to observe the differences in feeding behavior between strongly lateralized and weakly lateralized. Okay, so let's read what they want to say. Experiments revealed that. This person's experiment revealed that. What the experiment revealed that? Okay. Set out to observe the differences in feeding the behavior between strongly lateralized. Okay, he found that strongly lateralized individuals were able to feed twice as fast as weakly lateralized ones when there was a threat of predator looming above them. Assigning different jobs to different brain halves may be especially advantageous for animals such as fish or this thing. 2 word twice, I have just found it. Okay, let's read the 2 word here also. Let's read this line also. The weakly lateralized chicks meanwhile had difficulty performing these 2 activities simultaneously. Similar results probably hold true for many other animals in this feeding animals. So he found that, so we have analyzed whatever this person had found, that these individuals were able to feed twice as fast as weakly lateralized ones. There was a okay. So let's read the options. In these are the options. Lateralization is more common in some species than in others. Similar results. No, it benefits a population if some members have a different than majority. So this is also not talking about. Okay, next C1. Liberalization helps animals to 2 things at the same time. Were able to feed twice as fast once when there was a threat of a predator looming above. Assigning different jobs to different brain halves may be especially advantageous for animals such as whose eyes are placed on the sides of their heads. This enables them to process input from each side separately with different tasks in mind. And the weakly, because same results, the weakly lateralized chicks meanwhile had difficulty performing these 2 activities simultaneously, because these 2, this line, this meaning is matching with this. Lateralization helps animals to do things at the same time. See, 2 activities simultaneously, and similar results probably hold true, but they are talking about this person experiments. Difference in feeding strongly. Let's see, because twice word is also there, so I have always tried to match with the words also. Helps animals. So for this sometime we can match it with C. If we get better option for this option, then we can change it. Now C, 29th. Magat and Brown studies shows that. Now this paragraph is done and we are looking for these 2 persons name, and in this paragraph I can see these 2 persons name, and you also do it with me please. Just this person and those what of those animals who favor a specific site for almost all tasks. Okay, Brown at these 2 persons, university in Australia wanted to see if there was a journal cognitive advantages in lateralization. To investigate, they turn to parrots which can either strongly, just a minute, what they want, again their studies show, their results means, to investigate they turn to parrots which can be strong. The parrots were given an intellectually demanding task of pulling a snake or on a string using a coordinated combination. Okay, the results showed, means we are looking for their results, their studies show. Now actual thing come here. The studies showed that parrots with the strongest food preferences worked out the puzzle far more quickly than ambidextrous truous peers. Okay. Parrots with the strongest foot preference worked out the puzzle far more quickly than ambidextrous. Okay. Now these options is more common in some species than in others. If benefits a population, some members have a different. Are they talking about this? No, they are talking about particular animal who is working out puzzle far more quickly than other peers. Okay, so these two we have selected, and let's read E and F options. So this is E number. The greater an animal's lateralization, the better it is at problem solving. Strong lateralization may sometimes put groups of animals in danger. No, nothing is about strong lateralization may sometimes put groups of animals in danger. Nothing, they have not given like that here. I am talking about this. The greater an animal's lateralization, parrots, okay, the better it is at problem solving. Problem solving is puzzle. Worked out the foot preferences, work out the puzzle far more quickly than these peers. So it means we can select this E number with 29. So 29th is E. Okay, now 30 number. These two persons name research. So these also research we have to find. These two persons in next paragraph. Let's move. So E paragraph, these two persons I can see here. Okay, but we have to, these have shown that, because their results we have to see. These have shown that a group of fish is likely to survive a shark attack with the fewest casualty if the, okay, majority word was there, then together in one direction, while a very small proportion of the group escape in the direction that the predator is not expecting. So majority word was here, majority. The benefits of a population, some members have a different liberalization. So definitely I will just match it with B number. Okay. So all four we have done, and this definitely will come because nothing else we have found it for this. So now let's do fill in the blanks. Now in fill in the blanks you can see complete the summary below, choose one word only. Okay. So we have to find this 2004, and then lateralization is determined by genetic and dash influences. Okay, 2004, let's find it. So let 2004 is here because I have shown it to you. 2004 Rogers, this person experiment is there, and we are looking for genetic word is here. See this in the first line. Lateralization is determined by both this genetic and influences. Genetic plays a part in determining lateralization, but environmental factors have an impact too. It means there are two things, genetic and environmental. So it means we can just write here environmental. So I have filled it. So Rogers found at chicks. So they were talking about chicks here. Rogers word is also here, found at a chicks. So whose chicks, whose eggs are given dash during the incubation period to have a stronger lateralization. Okay, so here Rogers found that chicks lateralization depends on whether it is exposed to light before hatching from its egg. If it is kept in dark, so we are looking for whose eggs are given exposed to light. So we have to write only one word. Eggs are given during incubation means before hatching from its egg. So it means this, so incubation period means when they are inside this thing before hatching from its egg. Roger found that lateralization depends on whether it is exposed to light. Whose eggs are given light during period tend to have a stronger lateralization. See this, it is given depends, its lateralization depends. So we can just write here light. Okay, her 2004, this is location. Experiment set out to prove that these chicks were better at than weakly lateralized chick. Okay, to test the advantages of brain bias in chicks faced with, okay, Rogers used this observation to test the advantages of brain bias in chicks faced with the challenge of multitasking. So here they are asking experiment set out to prove that these chicks were better at multitasking than weakly lateralized chicks. So I know weakly is not given. She has chicks with either strong or weak. then presented the do groups, but here they are in this line they are talking about multitasking, so we will just fit here multitasking. Now see this. Next is as, here full stop, as expected the strongly lateralized birds in the experiment were more able to locate using their right eye. So where they are talking about right eye. No, we have left this paragraph and we have to look for right eye. Right eye is here, and as word is, as sentence structure is there, and expected means predicted. The birds in the light looked for food mainly. The strongly lateralized birds in the experiment were more able to looked for food using their right eye, with their right eye. See this. So while using their left eye, okay, left eye, while using other means here they were using right eye, so while using the other to check out the predator. So left eye to monitor an imitation above, located above them, to check out the predator. So we will just write here predator. So next reading, next question, these which section contains the following information in next video.